One of the most important things about an evaporative cooling water distribution system is the ability to deliver a lot of water on that pad without making a wet mess of things or wasting a tremendous amount of water. What we're looking for again is put about 0.75 gallons per minute per linear foot of pad system over this pad. Now in this system, we can do well over 50 gallons per minute of water circulating over this pad. And that does two purposes. Number one, it helps to maximize the cooling that this pad is capable of doing, and secondly, it helps to keep the pad clean. So it can be really deceiving. You're thinking, boy, how much water is circulating over this pad? If you pop the top on this system, which is pretty easy to do, you can see the sheer volume of water we're putting on this pad. We have the water spraying up probably about 18 inches out of each of those holes, putting again at least that 0.75 gallons per minute per linear foot on that pad, which is really going to help our ability to cool the birds and to keep our pads clean. Another important feature of any type of distribution system is how much water the sump below the pads can hold. What we want to be able to do is store enough water so when that pump comes on, it can run 3 or 4 minutes before it runs out of water. If it can run 3 or 4 minutes with the capacity of that sump, that means the water will have time to return to the sump, and therefore we won't run this pump dry. Now this system here, it's about 55 feet long. It can hold nearly 200 gallons of water. So with the pump moving 40 to 50 gallons per minute, you can see we can easily do 4 minutes before it would run out of water. And by that time, we have water coming back into the sump so we can run it without running dry. Too many systems out there aren't capable of doing it. After about a minute of running, they suck the air dry. So that keeps us from being able to fully wet the pad. So we're always looking for a nice sump capacity, something of this nature, where we can store a lot of water, which makes sure that our pump will never run dry when operating it.